Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, solid-state drive, wireless module, and wireless WAN module. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the VGA fan. Disconnect the VGA fan cable from its connector on the system board. Loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the VGA fan to the system board. Remove the VGA fan from its position on the system board. Replacement. Place the VGA fan into position on the system board. Tighten the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the VGA fan to the base enclosure. Connect the VGA fan cable into its connector on the system board. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the VGA fan.